Okay, I'm on this job site today. We're going to do a bit of post and netting fencing with a top rail on top. I'm just helping out a friend today. We're just going to have a look at the plan for today, and yeah, we'll crack on. So the plan is we're going to run posts all the way down to the house there to separate this garden from the next door's yard, and it's going to be stock netting with a top rail and then a 5-bar gate here and a pedestrian gate at the bottom. So this is where the gates go in, and we're going to follow it down. And this is where the pedestrian gate's going here and then finish to here. So that's going to be a nice job today. So let's see how much we can get done in a day and crack on. Okay, I'm done for today, and yeah, it's gone pretty well, I think. We've got quite a bit done. It's a bit of a shorter day today, but it's a Saturday, so yeah, I'll just quickly show you what we've done today. We've got all the posts in, and we've hung or half hung the gate. We've strung this section and put the top rail on, and the bottom rail on. The bottom rail is to stop the dog digging out of this garden into next door's garden. So still need to hang the gate, so it's just a bottom hinge, and then the catch, and then strain this section and top rail and bottom rail. There is also a middle rail going to go on as well. And we need to cut the tops of the posts. This ground was this used to be an industrial yard with units, and they've converted it into a garden, and under here is just solid hardcore under here, and this track, it must be this track as well, it extends out, definitely extends out, because that's what we're digging through. And then my friend's going to come back and carry on with this section of this section of fence line as well, and then and finish off hanging the gates in the gap. I'm going to get him to send me loads of pictures. yeah, it's been a brilliant day. I've had loads of fun. So yeah, hopefully we'll do some more projects with my friend and get some more good footage for you guys. All right, cheers.